Scotty too hotty. That's what they tell you. That's what they call you over at the barracks.
They call me a lot of things.
At the barracks or just everything?
Everything.
Oh, this is a good shot. I'm actually going to take a picture. You could use this as some fucking artsy shot. Anyway. Scotty, are you sticking in the new one?
Yep. And I know a lot of people that will not even attempt this.
That's because you're smarter than they are.
But you have to be a little patient.
So it's not a job for Andre?
I love him to death, but no, he wouldn't have the patience to do this. Now, as you can tell, I never touched any of the brakes. I just got to push this one pin in and we're done.
Just got to stick it in.
So,
here's your old one.
Here's the old one, which was just weeping a little bit. Even after I cleaned it, I didn't get it all off. So this was the side that was leaking, but thank God we caught it quick enough.
Yeah, so that's a positive.
Yes, very much so.
Yeah, a little brake clean, a little bleed, and we done.
Yep, so all I got to do is just slide this one in. And if you look, a lot of people, I mean, seriously, a lot of people just will not attempt this because it's, well, you can't do that. Yes, you can. You know, it's a little bit of
Especially
pushy,
when you
pushy.
open the bleeder.
Yeah, and you take the bleeder out and it allows you to get everything in.
Yeah.
And it doesn't take but an extra 30 seconds to do this versus taking all the brakes off, having to reset them. Oh, wait, no, did you get the adjustment just right? We already know the brakes are good. We just have to replace the wheel cylinder. So why not just do it that way? That's why I always get confused. Oh, no, you got it. No, I don't have to take them off.
It's because people are stupid, Scotty.
Well.
And stubborn.
I think stubborn is more the thing because, I mean, you have a certain way you do that one thing, whatever it may be. And I might do that exact... Well, okay, yeah, that idea, but still.
You know.
I may do that exact same thing, just slightly different to speed up time.
You just rub it a little
I'm also a few years older than you.
Okay, Grandpa, chill out.
Hey, I got... Hush.
You do have grandkids, though.
I do. I just got my 6th, to be exact. Just got my 6th grandchild.
Jesus. Here I am with one stepchild, and he's almost 13, and I hope I don't get a grandchild anytime soon, but... At football. Woo! I fucking... girlfriend that I didn't know he had fucking spilt the tea.
Ooh. Woo! All right, let's I want to get the 411. Come on. 411.
Woo! Guess Carson's very persistent on asking her out to things.
Okay.
It's like, damn. All right, get it. I mean, you know, it's like she's not like the fat one or anything, so I guess he's doing okay. Funny story is, it's actually one of his best friend's twin sisters. So I'm just like,
so he's trying to keep it in the family.
Yeah, I'm just like, at least she doesn't look like he does.
Yeah. Well, I mean, Carson looks like he's a handsome young man.
I mean, I'm pretty sure he's gonna smash the cheerleaders.
And done.
Wow, we're talking about Carson being persistent with other 12-year-olds.
And done.
And you got that in. Okay.
It takes 2 seconds to do that type of stuff.
Carson's gonna watch this video, and he's gonna be so pissed.
I'm like, Dad, shut up!
Oh well, you're 12. Guess what? I do what I want. Hey, look, these are pleasurizers. Scotty, did you wear that sticker to a club one day?
Shh.
It says you're Delco Pleasurizer HD.
Heavy duty motherfucker.
Alright, so this guy's getting this side done. That's 1 down, 3 to go. And done.